Get ready to rewind! Let's get cracking! Hello all my explorers and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. If you're new, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Loren and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do all kinds of things from unboxings to hauls, pins, pin trays, Disney reviews, Disney news, and more. So if this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell for notifications and do like this post, as it really does help us out. So as I show you in a past video, which I'll link up here, I got 3 of these Disney Rewinds from the Disney outlet in Camarillo, California, and that is our bathroom stop. And I always go into the Disney store to check out all the merch. And the big reason why I wanted to get this was because of Miss Bianca being one of the characters. I love these because they're not so there's a lot of like rarer characters on here, like Hercules and Miss Bianca. Dumbo and Wally and Tinkerbell are all kind of standards, but I'm really hoping to get Miss Bianca. So let's go ahead and get into these boxes. Okay, please wish me luck. They're big boxes. I never got to get the first series of this. This is the second series, and they had some really good ones in that one. Robin Hood and Kita and Merlin were some of the ones that they had. So let's see who I get. Okay. This is the character that I'm going to get. Oh my god, I got her. Guess what? I got her. Alright, so I don't even care who I get in the other ones. I could get 3 Miss Biancas and I don't mind. As long as I have one, and there she is, practically perfect in every way. And here's a little card that it comes with, and if I held it the right way, it would look even better. So let me try and do this. This is a little stand for it. I think you put the card in here. Okay, here we go. So that's what she looks like on her stand. Oh my god, so cute! I love it. Oh, I'm so happy to have gotten her. I was like gonna be so bummed if I didn't get her at all. Alright, let's see who else we got here. Which ones are the ones that you're hoping for? I'm hoping now for Hercules. So let's do... You mean Hercules? I don't know why Hercules has like risen in my favorite Disney movies. I watched it the other day and I just love it so much. I love the style of Hercules. You know, they kind of based it on this artist Gerald Scarfe, and you can kind of really see it. And to me, that is the kind of movies on which, makes a good argument for 2D animation, because I don't think that they could do that style in 3D animation and make it look as good as it did. Alright, let's find out who this is here. I have a feeling it's going to be either Tinkerbell or Wally, because it feels small. Find out. It is Tinkerbell. There's Tinkerbell, looking all sassy. Aww, she's very cute. I like her. Okay, and then the card that she comes with is this cute Peter Pan card. That's very nice. And put this guy in here. And Tinkerbell over here. Oh, I just noticed she's on a little thimble. How cute is that? I love these. Gosh, these are so stinking cute. I don't know why they're not more popular. Okay. And the final one that I have is this one. Alright, now let's really go for Hercules in this one. This is my last and final. Okay. If not Hercules, then maybe... I don't know, I kind of like the Dumbo. I've been into Dumbo lately for some reason. Like, I've been into the 1940s classics of Disney. Like, I've really gotten into Bambi, too. I'd love to get Bambi, but there's no Bambi in here. But, so sweet. Alright. Here. Okay. One. Gift that just keeps giving, it just keeps going. Okay, here we go. I think this is going to be Wally. I think this is going to be Wally. No, it's Dumbo. Oh, I love him. Look at how cute he is. Dumbo. Alright, let's take a look at his card. Look at his card. I love these. These cards are like really great. And there we go. There's Dumbo. Looking all cute on this little thing. Little drum thing. Barrel. Alright, I'm glad that I invested in these and I got my Miss Bianca, which is the most important thing, and I got Tinkerbell and Dumbo, loving them. Hope to have gotten Hercules, but that's okay. Maybe I'll try to just get him on the secondary market. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed our programming, please subscribe to our channel. hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Be sure to check out all of our other social media below, and visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thank you again so much for joining us, and we will see you later. Bye!